Welcome back to English and Chill. Today, we are learning travel English at the airport, including phrases for your boarding pass and the purpose of visit. Let's listen to two classmates getting ready for a big trip.
Hi, Mark. Are you, ready for the trip tomorrow?
Hey, Sarah. Yes, I'm all set. I just finished packing my suitcase.
Wow, you're so fast. I'm still, really worried about the English part.
Don't worry. The airport staff are usually very nice.
I hope so. I keep thinking about immigration. It's scary, isn't it?
It can be, but it's mostly just a short interview. No big deal.
Wait, what does immigration mean exactly? I hear it all the time.
Well, it's the place where officers check your passport. It's for safety.
So, they just look at my face and my passport?
Yes, and they ask a few simple questions. They want to know why you are there.
Okay. Let's talk about the very first step first. The check-in desk.
Right. The check-in desk is where you drop off your big bags.
Check-in desk. Okay, I know that one. Do I always need to go there?
Actually, I usually check in on my phone. It's much faster.
Really? I actually think the desk is safer. I like talking to a person.
True. But what if the line is very long? Sometimes it takes an hour.
Oh, that's a good point. An hour is a long time. I mean, it's quite a while.
Exactly. If you check in on your phone, you get a digital boarding pass.
Boarding pass. That's the paper for the plane, right?
Boarding pass. Yes. It has your seat number and the gate number.
Wait, gate is like the door to the airplane?
Yes. Like a door. My gate last year was gate B12. It was so far away.
I hope our gate is close to the Starbucks. I need coffee.
I'm drinking a peach tea right now. It's actually really sweet.
Lucky you. Anyway, back to the desk. What do they ask there?
Usually, they say, "Can I see your passport and booking reference?"
Booking reference. Is that the number with letters and digits?
Right. Like XJ4-5-9. Something like that.
Got it. And then they ask about bags, don't they?
Yes. They ask, "Are you checking any bags today?"
And I say, yes, just one. Or no, just a carry-on.
Carry on. Good. That's the small bag you keep with you.
I usually bring my yellow backpack as my carry-on.
The yellow one? That's bright. You won't lose that one.
I hope not. But wait, what about the security part?
Ah, security. That's where you take off your shoes and your belt.
Ugh, I'm so wiped just thinking about it. It's always so busy.
I know. It's a bit of a mess. But you just follow the person in front.
They always ask about liquids. Like shampoo and water.
Liquids. Right. Remember, only small bottles. No big water bottles.
I always forget and have to throw my water away. It's around $4.50.
Whoa! That's expensive for water. Better to bring an empty bottle.
That's a smart idea. Empty bottle. I'll remember that.
And the officer might say, "Laptops out of the bag, please."
Oh, laptop's out. I keep mine in a special sleeve.
That's good. It makes the process faster. Your brain likes fast.
My brain is slow in the morning, Mark. I'm like a zombie.
Well, the security officers are fast. They don't wait for zombies.
Okay, so after security, we find the gate. Then we fly.
Yes. And then comes the big one. Immigration.
Deep breath. Okay. What is the most common question there?
They usually start with, "What is the purpose of your visit?"
Purpose of visit. That sounds so formal. Does it mean why are you here?
Exactly. You can just say tourism or holiday. Keep it simple.
Can I just say, I am a student?
Yes, if you are there for school. But for us, holiday is perfect.
What if they ask how long I am staying?
They will. They'll say, "How long are you planning to stay?"
I'll say 2 weeks. Or 10 days.
Perfect. And they might ask, "Where are you staying?"
I have the address of our hostel in my phone. Is that okay?
Yes, but I have a tip for that. I always print it out on paper.
On paper? Why? My phone is always with me.
Phones die. Or the internet is slow. Paper never dies.
Wow. Paper never dies. That's a funny way to say it. You're right.
I have a blue folder for all my papers. My passport goes in there too.
A blue folder. I should get one. I usually just throw everything in my bag.
I used to do that. But then I lost my boarding pass in Terminal 5 once.
Wait, seriously?
Yeah. I had to go back to the desk and ask for a new one. It was so embarrassing.
Oh man, that sounds stressful. I would cry, honestly.
I didn't cry, but I was very sweaty. Not a good look.
This is really helpful, you know? I feel a little better.
I'm glad. Most people at the airport are just trying to help.
What about customs? That's after immigration, right?
Yes. Customs is about what you are bringing into the country.
Like gifts? Or food?
Exactly. They might ask, "Do you have anything to declare?"
Declare. That means to tell them about the things, right?
Declare. Yes. If you have a lot of money or strange food, you declare it.
I usually just have my clothes and my laptop. No strange food.
Then you just walk through the nothing to declare door. It's green.
Green for go. I like that.
But wait, I have one more tip for you. About blanking out.
Oh, that happens to me all the time. My brain just stops.
When you don't know the word, don't worry. Just use your hands.
Use my hands? Like pointing?
Yes. If you don't know boarding pass, you can just point to your phone.
Oh, really?
Totally. Or say, sorry, my English is a bit slow today.
I think I'll say that. My English is slow. It's honest.
People are very patient when you are polite.
I'm always polite. Maybe too polite. I say sorry too much.
In London, they love sorry. You'll fit right in.
Okay, so let me see if I got everything.
Yes, please. Let's review the steps.
First, check in. At the desk or on the phone.
Right.
Second, security. Take out the laptop and the liquids.
Yes, exactly.
Third, immigration. Show the passport and say the purpose of visit.
That's right. And number 4?
Customs. Walk through the green door if I have nothing to declare.
Wow, you got all 4. Good job, Sarah.
Thanks, Mark. You're a great teacher.
I just travel a lot. My mouth knows the words now.
I want my mouth to know the words too.
It will. It just takes a little practice.
Actually, I'm going to wait. Let me check my bag.
Oh, no. I can't find my passport. Wait, where is it?
Check the small pocket. The one with the zipper.
Oh, thank goodness. It was right here. I'm such an overthinker.
See? Even experienced people lose things for a second.
That was scary. I need to be more organized.
Get a folder. Like my blue one.
I will. I'm going to buy one this afternoon at the shop near the library.
That's a great plan. One step at a time.
I'm also going to practice the phrase purpose of visit in the mirror.
That's very smart. Your brain will remember it better.
What's one thing you always do before a flight, Mark?
Good question. I always arrive 3 hours early. I hate rushing.
3 hours. That's so early. I usually arrive 2 hours before.
3 hours gives me time to have a tea and relax.
I should try that. No rushing means less stress.
Exactly. Stress is the enemy of good English.
Well, I feel much more ready for tomorrow now.
I'm glad. It's going to be a great trip.
I hope I don't forget anything else.
If you do, we'll find a solution. Don't worry.
Thanks, Mark. I'll see you tomorrow at the terminal, then?
See you at Terminal 4. Around 7 a.m.?
7 a.m. I'll be there with my yellow backpack.
Perfect. Have a good evening, Sarah.
You too, Mark. Bye.
Bye-bye.
What a great conversation. I hope you feel more confident about using phrases like purpose of visit on your next trip. Remember, being prepared is the best way to stay calm.
Subscribe to English and Chill for more real conversations to help your listening practice.